wiring is together now. It's time to turn it on and see if we at least get some just, static out of these speakers. Let's flip this. This will power on. Then we have to press the power button. All right. There we go. Good out of this one. Good out of that one. Perfect. I don't have an antenna hooked up, so it's not going to find anything. So let's turn that off. We'll mess with the colors and everything later. And let's get this back together. All right, so I cleaned up a little bit of the wiring. All this is what I pulled out that was just useless wiring. And got everything working in here pretty good. That works. The switches worked. The light bar is working good. Well, security light's working. And most importantly, the radio